So far, meron na tayong pour lui, meaning for him. Pour elle, meaning for her. No, which means no. Mauvais, meaning bad. Le restaurant, which means the restaurant. At n'est pas, which means isn't. So, paano masabihin sa French ang the restaurant isn't bad but it isn't fantastic? Le restaurant n'est pas mauvais, mais ce n'est pas fantastique. Le restaurant n'est pas mauvais, mais ce n'est pas fantastique. At paano naman ang Pierre isn't here? Pierre n'est pas ici. Pierre n'est pas ici. Paano naman sabihin ang Marie isn't here? Marie n'est pas ici. Marie n'est pas ici. Paano naman sabihin ang the restaurant isn't perfect but it's very good? Le restaurant n'est pas parfait mais c'est très bon. Le restaurant n'est pas parfait mais c'est très bon. So n'est pas means isn't. Similarly, if you take the word c'est, which means it is, at tanggalin natin yung letter C at apostrophe sa unahan, may matitirang E, which means is. So, paano masabihin ang the restaurant is good? Le restaurant est bon. Le restaurant est bon. Paano naman sabihin ang the restaurant is here? Le restaurant est ici. Le restaurant est ici. Paano naman sabihin ang Marie is here? Marie est ici. Marie est ici. Or Pierre is here. Pierre est ici. Pierre est ici. Paano naman sabihin ang the restaurant is absolutely perfect? Le restaurant est absolument parfait. Le restaurant est absolument parfait.